Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to compare OnePlus 11 versus iQOO 11 with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price, and are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, OnePlus 11 has a 6.7 inches screen, while the iQOO 11 has a 6.78 inches screen. If you look at the display type, OnePlus 11 comes with Fluid Amoled display, while the iQOO 11 comes with an Amoled display. In the resolution, both phones comes with 2K resolution. OnePlus 11 has 525 pixels density, while the iQOO 11 has 518 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen-to-body ratio, OnePlus 11 has 89.6%, while the iQOO 11 has 87.4%. In a refresh rate comparison, OnePlus 11 supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate, while the iQOO 11 supports up to 144 Hz refresh rate. OnePlus 11 and iQOO 11, both phones comes with Gorilla Glass Victus display protection. Let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, OnePlus 11 has 163.1 mm, while the iQOO 11 has 164.8 mm. OnePlus 11 has 74.1 mm in the width, while the iQOO 11 has 77 mm width. OnePlus 11 has 8.5 mm in the thickness, while the iQOO 11 has 8.4 mm thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, OnePlus 11 has 205 grams, and the iQOO 11 also has 205 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, OnePlus 11 comes with two different colors, and the iQOO 11 also comes with two different colors. Now let us compare about the camera and its features. OnePlus 11 has a triple camera setup, including 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and 32 megapixels telephoto lens. While the iQOO 11 has a triple camera setup, including 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and 13 megapixels telephoto lens. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, OnePlus 11 supports up to 8K resolution at 24 FPS, while the iQOO 11 supports up to 8K resolution at 30 FPS. In a comparison of front camera, OnePlus 11 comes with 16 megapixels selfie camera, with full HD video resolution at 60 FPS, and the iQOO 11 also comes with 16 megapixels selfie camera, with full HD video resolution at 30 FPS. Now let's do the hardware comparison. Looking at the processor, OnePlus 11 powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and the iQOO 11 also powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. In a CPU comparison, OnePlus 11 supports up to octa-core 3.2 GHz clock speed, and the iQOO 11 also supports up to octa-core 3.2 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, OnePlus 11 comes with Adreno 740, and the iQOO 11 also comes with Adreno 740. Let's compare the operating system. OnePlus 11 comes with Oxygen OS-based Android 13 operating system, while the iQOO 11 comes with Funtouch OS-based Android 13 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage. OnePlus 11 comes in two variants: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 16GB RAM with 256GB storage, while the iQOO 11 comes in two variants: 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 16GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in OnePlus 11 has 5000 mAh, while in the iQOO 11 has 5000 mAh. OnePlus 11 supports 100 watts fast charge, while the iQOO 11 supports 120 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with NFC support. OnePlus 11 doesn't comes with an IR blaster, while the iQOO 11 comes with an IR blaster. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with Bluetooth 5.3 version. Let's take a look on the benchmarks. In an Antutu benchmark score comparison, OnePlus 11 has scored 1,027,699, while the iQOO 11 has scored 1,280,715. Now let's compare price. If you look at the OnePlus 11, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at $56,999, and 16GB 256GB variant is priced at $61,999. iQOO 11, the 8GB 256GB variant is priced at $59,999, and 16GB 256GB variant is priced at $64,999. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.